In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Tide Business customer support, whether you prefer to reach out by phone, chat, or email. This will ensure that you're never stuck handling your banking queries on your own and can get the guidance you need quickly and efficiently. We'll walk through the steps on where to start and what options you have once you're there. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to get to the right place where all these support options are available. To start, head over to the webpage for Lending Club by typing their URL into your browser's search bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page, which boasts a selection of services. Next, look around for the Help button. The Help section is generally located at the top right or bottom of most web pages, but it might be nestled within a drop-down menu, so keep your eyes peeled. Clicking on this link takes you to a page dedicated entirely to providing assistance, which is exactly where you want to be when seeking customer support. Now, on the Help page, scroll through the options until you see Contact Us. This is your main gateway to reaching Tide's support team directly. Click on the Contact Us link, and you'll find that this page offers a variety of ways to get in touch, giving you the flexibility to choose how you'd like to reach out based on your specific needs and circumstances. For those who prefer speaking with someone directly, you might be inclined to go for the phone contact option. Dial the provided number to be connected with a customer service representative. Make sure you have any relevant account details or queries ready before you call to ensure the process is seamless and swift. If you're more comfortable typing out your issues, or if making a call is not convenient, chat support is a fantastic alternative. From the same Contact Us page, you should be able to access a chat feature. This will allow you to type your concerns and get a real-time response from a member of the support team. It's a great way to multitask, as you can easily manage other duties while getting the answers you need. Lastly, there's always the option to send an email if your query is not super urgent. The Contact Us page should provide you with an email address. Using this method, you can lay out your points in detail. While emails typically have a longer response time, they're invaluable for providing a paper trail of your inquiry, which can be beneficial for complex issues. And there you have it. Each contact method has its own advantages, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Remember, Tide Business Customer Support is there to help you navigate any challenges, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever you need assistance.